Hello students, let us talk about the number of relation. We know that relation is a subset of A cross B, and since it is a subset, we know that for any set with n element, the number of collection of subsets is called power set, and the number of element in the power set is 2 to the power n always. So now when I define A cross B, so A cross B, I know that the R is subset of A cross B, and A cross B, the number of elements in A cross B is m into n. So the total number of relation which I can define is 2 to the power mn. Thank you. Hello students, we know that how we define A cross B as A comma B, A belongs to A and B belongs to B. Now let us discuss one property. If number of elements in A is m and number of elements in B is n, then the total number of elements in A cross B is m into n, and it is represented like this. For example, if you have A is equal to 1 comma 2 and B is equal to say A, B, C, then A cross B is defined as 1 comma A, 1 comma B, 1 comma C, then 2 comma A, 2 comma B and 2 comma C. Now see how many elements are there: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we know that here in this A is equal to 2, coordinate of B is equal to 3. Students, we all know that Cartesian product A cross B is defined as ordered pair AB, where A belongs to first set and B belongs to second set. Now let us find out A cross B, or a Cartesian product of two sets where A is PQR and B is 4 comma 5. So how you can write it? P comma 4, P comma 5, then Q comma 4, Q comma 5, R comma 4 and R comma 5. So this is the A cross B. Now if I want to write down B cross A, this is equal to 4 comma P, 4 comma Q, 4 comma R, 5 comma P, 5 comma Q and 5 comma R. Right? If I want to write A cross A. Students, let us see how to find out the Cartesian product of two sets. We know that A cross B is defined as this: A comma B, where A belongs to A and B belongs to B. Now suppose A is this and B is this, then how you will write down the elements of A cross B? Obviously it will be ordered pair. So 0 comma 5, then I'll have 0 comma 7, then I'll have 1 comma 5, and then I'll have 1 comma 7. So this is A cross B. Thank you.